These days, many homes have multiple PCs, but only one phone line. This makes it hard for the various PCs to get online. Either you wait your turn or invest in another phone line. With Windows Me, you can share a single phone line using internet connection sharing. This also works if you have a broadband connection like DSL, cable modem, or ISDN. Windows Me includes a home networking wizard that walks you through the process of creating a home network and setting up internet connection sharing. Let's step through this to see how easy it is. Before starting the wizard, I need to make sure that my network cards and hardware are installed. From the Internet connection screen, I'll select the appropriate way for this machine to connect to the Internet. This computer will have the Internet connection that other PCs on my home network can share. The next screen is where I can specify the use of Internet connection sharing and select the device that connects this PC to my home network. Windows Me provides support for common ways of creating a home network, including Ethernet and phone network adapter, more commonly referred to as home PNA. Let's specify a unique name for this PC and pick a name for the group of computers on my home network. Actually, I think I'll just use the default workgroup name MS Home. One of the great things about a home network is the ability to share files and printers. Here, I can specify sharing of the My Documents folder or sharing of a My Shared Documents folder. I can even password protect these. If I had a printer attached to this computer, I could share that too. Now I can create a home networking setup disk that will let me set up home networking on the other PCs on my network. I'll follow the directions and make a setup disk. When the disk is done, I'll use it on my other PCs that I want to add to my home network. Then, I'm ready to share files, share a printer, or play head-to-head games on my home network. With internet connection sharing, my kids can play internet games from the other room while I check my stocks and send email to my family in Pittsburgh. The home networking features in Windows Me make it easy to set up your home network and enjoy the benefits of being able to share files, devices, and an internet connection.